Okay, so here we are again with Chef Eden. She's making breaded prawns. And prawns is basically a jumbo shrimp. It's a larger shrimp.
Larger than shrimp.
Larger than shrimp. And
yeah, I have some here already done.
yeah. So what basically the prawns are going into a flour egg mixture with some water. I've seen it done a couple different ways. This is just one of a few different ways you can do it. So the prawns are going into the flour batter mix, egg and flour, water, and then getting breaded with panko, breadcrumbs, and then she's just kind of stacking them on the plate there, getting ready for the hot oil bath.
For the frying, that's how he called hot oil bath.
Hot oil bath. And the supervisor is here making sure we're getting everything done correctly and efficiently.
She wanted to be included.
Yeah. So.
She wanted to be included.
I'm casting a huge shadow with this camera. Maybe I'll move around over here. Yeah, it's we're both sweating pretty bad. It's super
Hot.
It's really not so much hot, it's the humidity is what's really bad right now. It is extremely humid.
I will only eat 5 here and the rest for my husband.
Oh. Yeah, we've been doing intermittent fasting for
almost a month.
Yeah, basically 18 hours fast and then 6 hours eating window. I got that right? Yeah, 18 and 6. So it's basically time restricted eating and fasting, whichever one you want to call it. So we get 18 hours of nothing and 6 hours of responsible eating. So tell you about that responsible part can be a challenge when you've not eaten anything in 18, sometimes 19 hours. But that's what we've been doing.
For almost a month.
Yeah, this whole quarantine lockdown really was. What's that, hon?
For the quarantine, how many months for the quarantine makes you fat and huge.
Yep. So, anyways, we'll pick this up in a second when we start doing some frying. All right.
Okay.
All right. So we're about ready to start the deep frying. So, ready, hon?
I already preheated the oil, so it's hot.
Hot, hot.
This is what we're going to do.
You have that about medium heat, or?
No, medium heat.
All right. And this is really not a timed event. You just cook them until they're basically done, golden brown, right?
Mm-hmm. when I on the
Yeah,
no
go
wonder
on.
it's
Shut it off.
you shut up.
Does it make so much noise? I shut the fan off.
No wonder. I'm
Looking around like, what the hell is happening here?
drinking.
Man. Anyway, so we had a couple of local guys here in the neighborhood put together this rack for us so we could hang our cast iron, and they did a great job, I think. It was a lot. Yeah, they exceeded my expectations big time. I wasn't expecting them to make all these hooks. So check this out. We got like little hooks.
I'm not expecting also that that kind of hook
Yeah.
they're going to make it, because I just only told them that I need hook for the path.
Yeah. We just said, hey, we need a rack to hang some cast iron pots and pans, and well, they went.
Come back.
Yeah, they went out. Yeah, because they did it over at their place, and we asked them to do it one day, and we didn't see them like for almost the whole day, the whole morning.
Raining.
Well, no, because they were over there putting this damn rack together, and I didn't realize that that's what they were doing. So they showed up early in the afternoon with the rack, and then they bolted it up on the wall here, and then. Yeah, I mean, well, they had it all painted. They basically had the whole thing constructed before they brought it over. And they just brought it over and bolted the sucker up there, and and that was it. And then a little bit later, we bought this big stainless steel plating to put on the wall because it was getting nasty from, well, basically what she's doing right now, deep frying and cooking and whatnot. So anyways, cut off on a.
I've done some already.
All right. So there we go. Deep fried prawns. All right, we'll be back. Okay, so next up is the vegetables. So I'm going to fry up a little bit of garlic and preheated olive oil. Yeah. So do you have to melt those all the way down, or what's the story on the garlic cloves? You got to melt that all the way down, or what?
Until golden brown.
Woo! I can smell that. It smells good.
Okay. Ground beef.
What is that?
Ground beef.
What you got there, huh?
That's it.
Oh, okay. Olive oil, fresh garlic, ground beef, black pepper. pretty easy so far.
And then this one, bell pepper and zucchini.
Hold on, what is it?
Zucchini and bell pepper. Red bell pepper.
Zucchini and bell pepper.
Yeah.
All right. All right, let that simmer for a little bit. Here we are on the final stretch. Soy sauce added to the steamed vegetables.
That is steamed, is stir fried.
Stir fry vegetables. All right. Steamed, stir fry. What's the difference? Anyways.
Because steam is no oil.
No oil. Okay, so we're
Stir fried is
oil. All right.
Okay, now okay, finished. You see.
Looking darn good there. So again, olive oil heated in the cast iron pan with some fresh garlic cloves, ground beef, and vegetables. And the vegetables, zucchini and bell pepper.
Okay, let's go.
Freaking pretty nice. Hey. There we have it. The final product. And of course it is looking magnificent. Excellent.
Just cook for 3 minutes.
3 minutes. Wonderful, wonderful, hon.
And this
Looks,
is our finished product.
yes. Looks amazing, babe.
Okay.
Once again, you've totally blown my socks off. Oh, wait a minute. My socks are off. You blew them off with your wonderful and amazing cooking skills. All right.
Okay.
All right, hon.
Okay, you want to take some?
Looks good. I'm gonna put the camera down and then I'm gonna munch.
Okay.
Thanks for watching, guys. This is it. We're gonna eat now. So everybody take care of yourselves, take care of each other, and we will talk to you soon. All right, bye-bye.